Yemanono mwancho moliri Ndizi TV andonsi asoberedana n'ichinga kichabene kukwariania semesa yemangana mayekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona margoba litukuneria chumaine chitariki 25 mutinyi 11 mu mwaka wa 2023 nabasemerikwa nani gwenda gutwara lituko lige litabadubiri kunyo binde byonsi andonsi asoberede asiritukorera rero ase county ya Kisii amaisonsi nigarenge asegeti Kenya Magic Green Stadium ane kerumurai osomokose kerumurai we county ya Kisii nero mugabana Borusi Mbarati abwate abageni awawa sensemei bakorawa numurai wa mabwazi miulo moja Raila Odinga amo nabarai bande asensemei yanene aso wakera umugusimbuya asoko mojoro mugabana Simba arati ko mugabana okabere we county ya Kisii ayonse balikwete no barasense meli mbatwa koretera asenjero bukirano boigo para tutwarga ni robot urwa senjera yobukirano boigo nigobone kambiro ase county ya Nairobi ganyarege gotuguterare housing levy asigadena ichiko ndia bwatetigwe asokorusi aba Kenya ebese yabo erigwakanira obwagachi bw'inyumba yungati yali andata koragana imenesiko ya usium manjubere kuri ngo kwariga ni obena inje go ikomeryo kadokwatena Joshua Auta yoko yareta gwetera sense meli yomurwe manyari abigeri nyanja manero kwene kuna maliugine chibichago cheire asenjera yabene yokayata gocha sole ninje Brighton Makori. Agiga iyo mugaka James Nyatogo konyora omubasukano ase okogwa ekero ekera wetense akaranyorete mbasukano yina komia omugongo asebono atari konyara gokora kende gyonsi nigo bono agendere gosongerwa no gutaka asebo igatabwati kende agokora kubatikana no kowo kwaterereti na kubona komia ase omugongo asebona kale kuburia abasamaria bayagwe sokia na kumwagajana ne nyomba na komwana no bokonyi ase ensemete turanyore kingese midred mamanyi atutumeire kurwa sensemeyo kolende niganda tutubati robot urwa sinjira bukenu ikoragense ya muyabona roba nonyora sinjira yo bukenu kolende kodemo kimwako yago kwana asoboko mwagenda tegwetera ase engayaye
asoko iburu kwane ongibere mwaka 55 abana ba minto bonse bibale 8 ayo mona asirete enche ogasiane nene noboremi anende chikora agenda ne chitwe chise chisiko kwanda kwanyore boru ali ne kwarakora naramete nango chense mayagalisa narakore to ono ngacha mwaka 78 nalingi eta kururi bono kubuni gokwane ona agite kabunika mwaka uyu urugosino mwaka gatano so kubunika eka na agite gwete ganta manyerere tienguru ni ibonere mira bunka gumbe kere na gumbe katangani umutwe na magoko bono ngarara opaka mambi asa igari ngakendo no kendo boganswa bono nchandegete mugongo uyu turigokora mirimo gikubeke gukorra nkuria bono imbwato bakongwa sobwenge asanga buna ya bono salito ba chinguru angana ari gutwara chinguru nyena ari gukora kebarua angana ari guchenje nyumbe ngao bono nguru nchiyo nabere igabono nabera ngwere mari gusebe mnereyo
egarto gosuka bosyo nigobono yabeiro kwa gochia serikali ya Chinsa ayani gago chamagega yekambiro ase county ya Nairobi gotuguterare housing levy asebono baralirero buna okona jwa 1.5% ya levy eyu yaro chikwenda subwaga chibwe nyumba nigere maminja nerichugo bakurawa nabachachi abo abachoretwe nomona chebina omonene Mata Kome abale Lawrence Mugambi Christine Muel amo na David Machanja litukolera nigo bono baraliri bene buna lichikerio gose nigo kona chochibese jijire 1.5% yekere engelia omokoli meremo awakana nigere mamincha niriju diraigwa kibanyara bako na choko na joko asebono yabirogwa kwa gochia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
The Finance Act is a money bill within the meaning of Article 114 of the Constitution. However, it contains some matter that would not fall within the purview or incidental to a money bill, although although this does not change its basic character and substance as a money bill. The specific extraneous matters identified by the court pertain to amendment of the Kenya Roads Board Act 1999 through Section 76 and 78 of the Finance Act, amendments to the Unclaimed Assets Act by Section 87 of the Finance Act, and repeal of Section 21 of the Statutory Instruments Act by Sections 88 and 89 of the Finance Act. These amendments are extraneous to a money bill and are therefore unconstitutional. That under Article 220 and 221 of the Constitution, estimates of revenue and estimates of expenditure are part of the budget-making process. The estimates of revenue were included in the approved estimates contained in the Appropriation Bill and the Appropriation Act of 2023, as published in the Kenya Gazette Supplement number 87 of 15th June 2023 and 98 of 26th June 2023, respectively. We also find that the purport of Article 96(2) as read together with Article 114 is that the Senate is precluded from considering a money bill, which is only introduced in the National Assembly. However, in the matter of the Speaker, the Supreme Court held that it is necessary for the Speaker of the National Assembly to agree on the nature of the bill, any bill prior to introduction in any house. Consequently, the failure of the Speaker of the National Assembly to seek agreement with the Speaker of the Senate on the nature of the bill prior to its introduction in the National Assembly, in our view, does not vitiate the resultant act, as such concurrence is not a requirement under Article 114 of the Constitution.
Bono no kuganya tuchikorana gusaba Kenya besiri konya abana jirwe mbaji kweraniriwa gusenaki anene konarana aba wakiri bali kwigerera ngane yose bali kwigerera serikali nigo balenge kuboria ekigambero Kenya ke wanjira ba Kenya bachikobori kibese cyane jiribanyarire bagwakana bwo tuchikorana guse serikali ne chikusko jibosyo ejikwamiriri ngane yo ya high court koranyarage konacha ukwikartokosika bosyo nigo umuraiwe kyama kya waiba Oigore asomo bwasimyuro moja neranyare kagotogie getambugero gikambire kyo asokuruseri osasoko tukudarare ausirevi asadebina ene njire yemo aba Kenya bono banyoro mweso anene birengera libiri asimyo yabwate ekeraba Kenya baendete ko chandeka nobugmo baendete ko konga asense ya Kenya niga yakwana ya asemsemeli ya Nyamache county ya Kisii anene asebunge yabase kerekirana omoyega buwakira abagusimbu ya asoko mwa ekerogo governor Paulo Simbarati.
Simba ulifanya vizuri kutuita, tukasikia uamuzi wa mahakama kuu, not the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, 3 judges. Wakasema hii koti hii ushuru wa nyumba ni unconstitutional. Kwa hivyo hapo wameanguka flat. Tuwapigie makofi majaji yetu. Kwa hivyo ni mshindi mkubwa. Ni ushindi mkubwa wa azimio la umoja wa Kenya. Na ile mengine wasema unless wateremshe fuel tax kutoka 16% mpaka 8%, sisi tumeweka wazi hatukubaliani na hawa. Kwa hivyo kazi tumefanya, na yale mengine hakuna ambaye hajui. Sasa we need an IEBC, Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission, yenye itapata ambaye itakuwa na mamlaka sawa kutokana na mambo yote. Tusipoelewana, Raila na Ruto lazima waketi.
Asensemo ya yemo konyibo murayibwe nseri katika shawa nikobono nera mochiri kigambero azadebne kigambero ngetume kubobe asogoteneri emerobelio ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nene asubwaga chibwenyumba kolengana neni gadena ekigambero gotuguterare housing levy nigera jikoirera abasaye Gusii emiremo anene bali bakora emiremo ase ubwaga chiniga yakwana ya ase county ya Kwale anekeranyaraka wikerana asomusangano Ikomi na 5 kabere oyo kuruguna 17 annual planners convention ase county ya Kwale asebonere amachire kambero asogotuguterare housing levy.
I am aware that people have gone to court to try to suspend the housing levy and to sabotage the housing program. Much as we respect the independence of the judiciary, I want to request our judges to exercise judicial discretion and not sabotage that program. We have thousands of young people today who are now engaged in a housing program. That program will dignify the people of Kenya. It is the desire of every Kenyan who live in an urban center to own a home one day. And all of you here, that is your desire. Anybody who left the village for the urban to be an urbanite would want to own a home. Nobody wants to continue paying rent. That program enables Kenyans to own a home in an affordable manner. I appeal to our judicial officers not to allow themselves to sabotage that program. It's a good program. Already we have many young men and women who are working on these construction sites. The Governor Kwale here has said what they are looking forward to, and it's a good program. We want to ask the planners to support that program. I think P.S. Hinga will be coming here. We'll ask him to come and share the whole plan with you so that you are part of that process. So that even as we are putting up the houses, we have the requisite supporting infrastructure in terms of social amenities, schools, churches, playing fields, roads, water, sanitation, and it is you people to help us in that aspect so that we plan properly.
Tokoirana asorongo rwa Gusii nigo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Boro simbarate azingiro de abuna eretari kogoso na montonde bwensi koiba kibese che serikali ya county ya Kisii ekirengete gukora magenderero asibo gaderina tarigo chikogoso na gwakana bali bakorete gasi yembeo kolende nigara akane bali bakorete gasi na dekorekana ase county ya Kisii niga yakwana ya sensemo ya nyamaje asebunge ya basi county ya Kisii ekero aliga nyumuroberi wakambu yago chase omo Kisii county soko mwachigura choko mugabana okabirwe county ya Kisii.
Kwa hivyo mniwie radhi. Mtu yoyote anadhania kwamba mimi atanisuluhisha nipate kuiba mali ya umma nimpe, nasema ngo. Afadhali mimi mnanilipa mshahara, nyinyi hakuna mtu analipa nyinyi mshahara. Ni nani atalipa nyinyi mshahara kama tutaiba mali yenu? Nimesema wale ambao ndugu zetu ambao walikuwa na pending bills katika akaunti yetu, mimi nitalipa ninyi wale ambao mlifanya kazi. Lakini waliofanya kazi ewa ndugu zangu, siwezi peana pesa. Nataka niulize ndugu zetu wa Kenya Kwanza, ndio nyinyi mko mamlakani. Tafadhali msitumie mamlaka vibaya. Msitumie polisi vibaya. Hawa polisi ni ndugu zetu. Kisii imegeuka kuwa kama kule Hamas inapigana na Israeli. Wananchi wanauliwa kiolela kwa sababu wana uhusiano karibu na Simba. Vijana wawili wamewawa. Kijana mmoja wa hapa Emenua aliwawa, tulizika yeye juzi. Eti dhambi aliyofanya ni kuvalia t-shirt ya Simbarati. Mwingine akawawa hapa juzi town, askari wanajua anachinjwa kama ng'ombe.
Muraibo mubwazimiro moja Raila Morodinga boigoro muraibo ikiama Giodium niga motogiri omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Boro Simbarati anenekera murugire koba Simba asemo jiribali bakonyagotama kurwase kiama Giodium gosori bakomocho mugabana bwe county ya Kisii asadebna omugabana tigarigere libosyo na gokorera abagusi amagendero albamojorete koyakora boigo murai oyiniga mochire serikali enene asoko beke muroberi yogo jikonia chikambani ao ocha sabantu nyene ekeranene ate abuna ensemo ya Vibrain esekoeniwa gochi asabantu banyene niga magutara chikomenta ligoli kubwabono ekeraba Kenya bagendete kurira.
Hii Simbarati ni mtu mwaminifu na anajua kufanya kazi. Mimi najua Simba ataweza kufanya kazi mzuri hapo kwa watu wa Kisii. Kwa hivyo wale ambao wanaanza kuyumba ni wale ambao wanajulikana. Anataka kwenda pande ile, atinaona pande ile ndio iko na nyama kubwa pande ile. Ni kama ile umbwa alikuwa anabeba nyama kinywani chake, anapita kwa daraja, kiangalia ule chini mtu anaona kivuli chake, nafikiri ile umbwa imebeba nyama kubwa kushinda ile ambaye yako naye. Akawacha hii atinangia kule kungangania ile nyingine, akajikuta kule majini na mamba yuko kule chini. Hao watu, hata mimi nasema msisumbuke na hao watu, muangalie mbele. Mimi najua na hakika Simba ataweza kufanya kazi mzuri hapa Kisii. Muunga yeye mkono na kazi itakuwa sawa sawa. Sisi tunamuunga yeye mkono kama ODM kule juu, na tunataka kuona kama hapa Kisii kuna amani, ndio kazi inaweza kufanyika vizuri. Sasa wale watu kazi yao ni kujaribu tu kununua wafuasi wetu, kuwabeba pande hii wanapeleka Ikulu, ati wanakwenda kutafuta nini? Maendeleo.
Kati ya bemuzie bali baikirana asomusangano yensebo ya nyamacha nene bali bakomoka boko mugabana bwe county ya Kisii nigo batebirina mbago chuwancha onde bwensi amochejeri mugabana asibabuli umurai bwo mubwasi mioro moja rera morodinga bwo umurai bwe kiama GODM koba igesusuro anne bali bachoretwe ni kiama GODM asorongorwa Gusii kodinde bakomocheri mugabana ase county ya Kisii.
Sisi watu tunaona hapa wote wamefurika hapa, wanateseka sana. Hivi majuzi yule rais ambaye alichaguliwa na akakupewa ushindi aliweka ID. Eti sasa tukienda kuchukua ID we are paying for it. Na pia akasema kijana akitaka kuoa lazima pia alipe tax. Hizi taxes zimekuwa mingi, watu wetu wanateseka sana. Hivi nitopiko haki. Raila Amolo Odinga wewe ni baba yetu. Tunataka useme jambo leo. Ukisema tutoka hapa tuende State House, tutatembea mpaka huko.
Simba heshimiwe. Your Excellency Right Honorable Amolo Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka. Mimi kama mmoja wa viongozi kutoka region hii Kisii, nataka kukuomba viongozi tuanze mara moja safari ya kukomboa taifa la Kenya.
Ikaba na yaito Simbarati. Obairuo ko irwe biara mono sana. O maana go so molimo. Inungo ngete. Mobete. Akere aba ishmiwa bali bande babire. Onyongana donya.
Mokonyi bumurai bwenseri katika shagwa na ndeni gabori abagabana kwenda kibuna kutumeka wari chibese buyane na chicha bwatu girugyo sti county chikorire emeroberi ya El Nino ekaraderena abagabana bande nigo babekire emeroberi mia ayogo konya bamenyi bari bachandikiro sibakirwe nembure yo asibana dene serikali nigo yabwatukire chibese cyo cha sti county hani gago jamaiga oseri tukurigoro egikaro batware deno murai bwensigie cabinet yere buna bakabwatuka billion Ikomi go sti county erijikorwania amangana alianyareka gwateka gubwatika nembure nyingi rendete gotwa se chinsema awo meyense ya Kenya.
We shall again release another 10 billion to the counties, not specifically for El Nino, but as part of their shareable revenue. And we are requesting governors to apply their minds and see what they can do with that money, what they can reallocate to save lives. And I want to take this opportunity when I'm in Kwale, not because the governor is here, but because her and her government have intervened proactively for the people of Kwale. She has used funds to save lives, and I'm requesting other governors to follow suit, because it's responsible governance to consider what your people are going through, the resources at your disposal, and make a conscious decision to apply some of that money to save lives and livelihoods, and other things can wait when things get better. And that is an appeal we go.
Murai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigate no kubwaterna okuya as Chinsa mochukurwane marwaire nero yairire birengo bya marwaire gokeana as sense yaito ya Kenya anene asuburire bwinyamore obwaterna kubwaterna nensi ya America monebyo mbibinde niyo yairire no hina barwaire bari babwate burire obunigo banyorera maliogo ayanyarega kubakonya komenya as ense buya nigaya kwa naye karababwate omusangano presidential emergency plan for AIDS relief as county ya Nairobi oyore ekerenga gose ore 20th anniversary ekero oikeranwa no ambassador bwense ya America Megan Whitman amo nabarayibande abono batogiri okubwaterana okuya nechinse chesi kwa monebyo mbebinde asokurwani amarwere ao imeyense ya Kenya.
there are many instances in the history of Kenya's bilateral and multilateral engagements where partnerships have achieved tremendous positive change in the form of policies, programs, and projects. On the other hand, there have been fewer instances where such partnerships have translated into direct, personal, feasible transformation in the lives and well-being of people in terms of ending suffering, reducing the number of deaths, and prolonging the lives of millions of people who might otherwise have faced high risk of agonizing early death. Kenya's partnership with the United States of America through the U.S. President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, PEPFAR, is one of these very rare partnerships. Indeed, it is amazing what PEPFAR has been able to achieve. In fact, as I sat here and listened to what PEPFAR has done, and when I went through the numbers and the notes and what has happened over the last
Orobotirwano rumora iwense karawate okubwaterana no kugotoikiria mweli wa mangana itama ye Chinsa Ikomi kone yonage koragense yemo yabona marawo chikonyora yamona mange na atikire kuchingo ngonye Chinse ile anyi moja sikusama na bosongo ekadivarino sera enda tako yabekamo ali abarikibetu batumire kuchingo ngo inye Chinse Dolphin Morango nerno ali miyumoroberio osiniga enda tutubwatia Rebecca Bochere Mamta Calvin Virginia na Andrew Machende biyamono asimwa chora gotorilia asemara go yabona mwese bari murasi TV kubakira mbiyemono asoko jora gotengera Ndizi TV ne rubwansosi nande goendera utobwadia kiradituko nyasaye gako nganja naya wanjere tatumenane angyo asomoroberio wensakia kojagira Chinsa Ikomi na ibere chamambia mpaka Chinsa esto katoji ubwadia na chosho Auta ase omoroberio dituko liangyo gwakira mbiyemono bali bayene kibina mangana yagoche ira senjira yabene kana tuwabwadia na chosho Auta kurwa sensemo yomunu we manyerelio abigari nyanja manero lenge magaye kamera kwene kuna maligine chibicha goche ire asenjira yabene kuna botamberiane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusii. Kurikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okogenda kujya ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited niko babwate chitari chokwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokubeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo echikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares buna chising chibakuri chete cho chonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks mirrors na hand basins chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards hebinto au biokora plumbing buna PVC joints PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods hood screws chigulu chonsi door locks chi pipe wrench spanners screwdrivers banyore old Sansora building angena Kisii main bus stage gusua Kisimi ase namba enotisano naibire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo Osmo Traders Limited customer satisfaction guaranteed.
bana kango chikori chibesa kiogoro bonus kwanda kiogoro ngo chikori nganya jwa chachire chinyinge baga ngo baeke bande soke chibesa ande natagete ko soke chibesa bubisi moretere mubekere mesa mate chibesa china koiberete akina baita cha soke nkari nurende kambete ngate ugendo moyi nechibesa nargo tikakoirana kana uchibwate kuchikiamo kama bono nganya kiamo kama tingochi ngare ne process ya kiamo kama tingo nyara konyibwate nkamkarine gari kurukyo goro nkamya kapaka mwembe nganya no ari gaskipati ngamatebi nonya kore gasirikyo montago tenenerensa tominyoke orandu serchibesa chirasegete chasoke era kambodi ni chironi akarenge ne loan na asaba
era kabone loan tamane bese bigari bya
ngani magnet loan jeti njoti kuchuka ko ni chironi ne chironi uchukumbwa ati singirwa msini kayoko iranga yo rwa msini change that time
Hano bese nene
ngaki yo ngamotebi gakiso wanja kwa togenda ne kibandi kya okoira
bitume bingameti bono nari twari gutwara rigesa rigiye sengenje mbura nero ubuye bitakabike omongina basikaria ngatuma ite na chiri kuri iri bitume byao mbyameti arafu amakonda
utagotiga gutena kina abugire kona gote kiga nabo getema mbia bya chanchiru
amakonda achira kuri bituma obukendu bano no bwachira makonda imogete
kero bukendu bukari nari na makonda akoimuka
bone siri ne mungina basikaria ntagete toimoke mapema kendabu etuke kurukunga enokem agrovet ego enokem agrovet ego toko muchubo songo no konyora mariogo